Hey guys, I've been meaning to do a video for ages on the Direction Plus throttle controller. Now we've been selling heaps and heaps and heaps of these, and the feedback we're getting, the crawl mode, the whole thing, it's been really, really good. And I think that this is one of the best throttle controllers on the market. So I've decided to get one for my own Ranger, my next gen Ranger. And I'm going to throw it on and give you guys a bit of a report on how they go. But we've been selling heaps of them. They've been going really, really strong. Feedback really good. So we'll do a bit of an unboxing. Let's have a look inside. So what do we have here? We've got our thank you for your order. And it has a QR code so that you can actually get the instructions, which is kind of cool. So we're not wasting paper and all that sort of stuff. And then on the back, they're showing all the various products that Directions Plus do. Their gear is really good. I think everyone knows that. So let's have a look what we've got here. So we've got the actual throttle control unit. So we've got that. And then on this side, I'm guessing we have all the other bits and pieces. So we have that. And I think there's some cable ties in there as well, which I won't worry about for now. So I'll download the instructions. They're pretty easy. In reality, you unplug the accelerator plug. And I haven't done one for Ranger, so I'm assuming it'll be as simple as all the other ones I've done. But we'll do a little video on how we do it. So this is the Directions Plus throttle control. Let's see how it goes on the next gen. Once you've actually downloaded the instructions onto your phone or whatever appliance you're using, you can then scroll through and it'll tell you exactly how to install. This one's for a next gen Ranger, so it'll go through everything on how to install. Then it'll tell you the different modes and how to operate the actual unit. You can see there you've got Beast, which is the ultimate, I guess if you want to get rid of that lag, you want to get away from the lights a bit quicker. Beast, I think there's a sports mode as well. Comfort, I watch Facebook and I see some of the feedback. Comfort's really good. And then moving down to crawl. Now crawl, if you're in the high country, going up a steep rocky spur, the crawl is actually really good because it'll take the jerkiness out of the accelerator. So the throttle controller, let's see how it goes into the next gen Ranger. So the plug is located, it's under the dash, and it's quite high above the actual accelerator pedal. So if you come down, you'll see the accelerator pedal just here. And if you move up, you'll see the plug just here. So that's the one we're going to connect the Direction Plus throttle controller to. So it's just a 5-minute job to connect it up. You push the little red button and it'll just pull off the actual plug. Now we just got to run our wire and decide where we're actually going to put the head unit. So pretty easy job to do. Alright, so I've gone to the left hand side bottom of the steering wheel, so it's just below the brake controller. And there's plenty of looms underneath that you can cable tie to make sure that you don't impede the steering wheel or any of the steering wheel workings, making sure that the cable goes across nice and clean. So we've done that. I've used about 4 or 5 cable ties. We've set it to Beast. I haven't driven it yet. Set it to Beast. You can adjust, you can see on the right hand side there, you can adjust that from 0 to 9. I'm guessing 0, but definitely to 9. And then you've got Comfort, you've got Crawl, and you can adjust it from there. So we'll give this a whirl and see what it does. Ready? Alright, so I'm not going to go stupid with it, but the Beast mode at level 9 is ridiculous. You can feel no lag, and any of you guys who have driven the V6 diesel, we all know that it's quick, and we know it's got plenty of power, but you do feel that lag. There's absolutely none of that I can feel here. It's straight there. straight there. So my first impressions of the Direction Plus throttle controller is bloody awesome. Now I'm not going to leave it on Beast 9, I have no need for that. For me it was about, I like, because particularly with the 10-speed box, I like the idea, there is no lag. So I like the ability, because I do a bit of high country driving and love it, but the jerkiness when you're going up a spur on rocks, toning the throttle controller down to crawl mode and really desensitizing the accelerator, for me is going to be a real buzz. Yes, there is a bit of fun in this beast mode. Certainly that little bit of lag that you used to feel is gone. It's just straight there. We'll turn this off. This is the Direction Plus throttle controller. Really impressed. Very easy to install. I would suspect 10 minutes. Obviously we've been fiddling around with a video, so it's going to seem a bit longer, but it's actually a fairly quick installation. Very simple. The instructions are easy to follow, and we at Dirt Road 4x4, we sell these. We proudly sell Direction Plus. So if you want to get some information on the throttle controllers or any other Direction Plus products, please give us a buzz. 1300 037 222. That's 1300 037 222.